What's up everyone, and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well as always, and yes, we'll have planned this bomb right here, this lower time frame bomb for the moment, 4 days in advance. This is absolutely crazy. I share it with everyone my long target, and since we have hit, by the way, to the absolute dollar almost, my long target here, I'm just going to show this again right here. Bam, we have hit this one time, we got another retest and another rise from here. This is absolutely crazy, and this all planned 4 days in advance. This has been planned before the weekend on Friday. This is absolutely crazy. So as always, if you want to get this kind of content, search this content here, where for example today also we have been able to plan this with VIPs. Why? Simply because I was personally reading the order flow here, and we got a massive amount of shorts here. We got a massive amount of people trying to short that long target here. We planned 4 days in advance. We got 12 millions of people, this is absolutely crazy. 12.6 millions new shorts here opening. This is absolutely crazy. So at an order flow, this is where we can make decisions. That's why I say to my team that I was not surprised to make this new high, to make a new high here on Bitcoin. You can see this on Twitter, by the way, if you want to be aware of all of this. That was an out live stream, by the way. This was a 2 hours live stream. We'll have an insane setup, by the way, an insane long setup on an out. That's pretty crazy. We have been able to do some TAs on 2 hours. That's what I'm doing correctly on the channel, but on some other coins that a VIP requested. And so yeah, this is what we planned, and this is how it ended. This is absolutely crazy. What happened is very, very good rise from our long target, and yeah, people trying to short the MC long reaction here, the MC long target here on the very, very bottom. People really trying, there is a massive amount of people trying to short that, but no, price still come higher, takes the stop loss, and so they got wrecked clearly. Okay, that's pretty cool. So yeah, very, very, very nice long trade. I really hope you feel that trade, because yes, that was the last update 4 days ago. We have been able to plan this 4 days ago, so really I hope you trade that one, because yeah, that is just crazy, to be honest. It's just insane, and yeah, I'm really, really proud to make this clear. This is just, yeah, this is just crazy. It's not a massive rise, for example, so this big drop or something, but for day traders, we've got 2 possible scalp longs of this. I mean, yeah, this is crazy already, to be honest. So that's pretty cool, and all planned 4 days in advance, and you got no other place that plan is kind of double XY XNZ like this. So yeah, if you want to learn some great content, to learn Elliott Waves, to learn Exo charts, to learn all of this, clearly. So this software, for example, what means the open interest increasing, what means the open interest decreasing, what means the open interest, what means the CVD, what means this in the color right here, what means the red square, what means this first stuff in the table, that is a volume, by the way, in the delta, what means all of this, what means the numbers, everything, how to read this. You have everything on our website. This is a mooncharts.fr website. You have the link just right below in the description, and you can of course get more of us, such as this live stream. This is just absolutely crazy, really. This live stream is just absolutely insane, really. We have planned really an insane setup, and I'm just excited to see how it's going to play out, because that one is a very good one. But yeah, anyway, if you want to get more of us, such as for example the updates, I clearly said this morning to my team that we got a possible long setup. Okay, just say to my team, right here, I just say, hey, morning team, our long target is hit with some MC long reaction. That's something you can read on the order flow again. This is a reaction. You can rename the MC long reaction to make it a lot more easier. Personally, I will long only if VWAP is reclaimed and if we get acceptance above the VWAP. Okay, because I was personally sleeping, and so I was not able to catch this very, very low. It was like around 5, 6, 7 a.m. I'm sleeping at this time, clearly. So yeah, I wake up at 9. But anyway, so here I in that case just waited for the VWAP to be broken and to get acceptance above. We got this, but the thing is, at the end we got, so I feared the trade personally, then I was fixing my green screen on my wall. But anyway, so yeah, we got the push to the upside here. As you can see, we got a breakout right there. Okay, so this is where I feared my long right there, because the breakout was good. At the end, we got a very large amount of longs here on the very top, but next we got a very, very large amount of shorts here, as you can see. So that brings us with absorption on the lows if we manage to reverse that. And so we got a very, very, very big amount of shorts here, as you can see. We got a very, very, very massive amount of shorts. 12.6 millions of new shorts opening here yeah, this is absolutely crazy. This is really, really crazy. And so I just say to my team, hey, I feared my trade. Now it's very risky for me to stay in this long trade due to the new data we printed, but I never close my trade until I'm getting stopped out with a stop loss, with a maximum. Again, you have a risk management, a maximum 2% loss maximum. Your risk otherwise 1%, 0.5%, maybe less, 1.5%, but maximum 2%. That's why to get the risk management is very, very important. Or if the stop loss as stop profit is hit, or the take profit is hit. Okay, so I have a good risk management, so even if we get stopped out, it's fine. I will look for the next trade in any case. So yeah, all the levels clear here. But yeah, I did not go stop it out out. And during the live stream, because that was on the morning here, you can see around around 1 p.m. a bit before. And during the live stream, we recognized that it was more likely going to take this high because of the data we got here. It was absolutely crazy. And so, bam, tech rate 1 is hit. By the way, I rolled this very quick, so I didn't got time to fix this eye right here. But anyway, and so yeah, let's go. Moonshots always winning. And so yeah, pretty cool long trade, to be honest with you. But anyway, so now of course, yeah, this is crazy. 4 days in advance in addition. So yeah, if you want to get this kind of such plan, this kind of updates where I'm letting you know clearly what I'm doing, and you just have to go and check out our mooncharts.fr website. You will get all the informations there. And yeah, by the way, now there is also a new role on Discord server, the Elliott Wave Master Chicken. By the way, is doing some very insane TAs with Elliott Wave. He's here now for some few years, maybe 1 year and a half, something like this. And learned of Elliott Wave here, so learned Elliott Wave here, but also with all the resources before. But yeah, learned Elliott Wave here, and now he's just doing some crazy TAs. And so yeah, of course, if you are working, you're learning. If I see that you're doing some great TAs, you're just successful cleaning your TAs, I'm of course going to reward you. So for example, here Chicken now is now an Elliott Wave Master on the Discord server. He's now posting some TAs for all the VIP members. So if you want to get all these kind of VIP TAs from all the members than me, you can absolutely come and join us as VIP. And if you want to get the course, it's apprentice as always. But yeah, so and if you want to get these kind of updates where I'm really letting you know what I'm doing, everything, bam, you can go and check out this trade money print channel, where this is pure money print. Really, this is insane. But anyway, so yeah, now what we can look for here as we planned in the last update, everything was planned well in advance, if I can say that. If we have to rise from here, I would not be surprised to make a new low or maybe a continuation here, to be honest. But just in case the bottom is in, let's take the example just to give you an idea. If we really push hard, just to give you an example, what we are going to look for here to the upside, it's simply a bigger correction. Okay, there is still a possibility, of being, in the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's something I could read more with VIPs, but also with the on YouTube channel with the live stream and everything. That's still a possibility, but we start to get some invalidation. So I'm really more going to be focused on the WXY. We planned the last update. So we can look first of all for a WXY X and Z. In that case, we'll have to retrace as always minimum 38.2. So we pull the fib from the bottom here to the top right here, or the opposite, depending if you reverse your fib always. So here, no, by the way, reverse here. Okay, so like this. And so from here we should retrace minimum 38.2, the white line here. So this is what the X wave should retrace minimum, and the X wave here cannot break the first X wave top. Okay, the other configuration that is a bit better in my opinion is bam, just a bigger WXY. So W X and Y, okay, and the X wave again have to retrace minimum 38.2, but not from that top, from the very beginning of the consolidation here of this WXY. So we just hide this second click right there, bam, to the top, and this is the minimum it had to reach. Okay, then 50%, 61 is 66%, 7x. If you want to get some more details about what are the most probable targets here to the upside, again, this is what we cover it with VIPs every single day, and most we are doing some daily updates for you also. By the way, tomorrow we have a daily update at 10 a.m. GMT+1 French time, Paris time. So really feel free to go and join. We plan everything to the upside, to the downside, the levels, everything clear. I'm just letting you know what you have to know, the daily update on Bitcoin. And yeah, so bigger WXY like this, or we can look, of course, because that is already a way, we can look for a bigger WXY. But if we take that high right here, we can look for an A, B, C flat. Okay, that's why this long trade got that high. And again, if we're in the bullish plan, where the Mora case where we're in this way 1, 2 here, now we're in 3, 4, 5, in that case we can go a lot higher. Okay, that's why you have all these possibilities to play with. But hey, now I'm not saying that the bottom is in. We can absolutely get another move to the downside, because we started this move to the upside with a correction, and as always, when you do more likely a correction, so when you do a correction to the upside, it's more likely to come more down next. So maybe another low, maybe a continuation, a bigger one. But in any case, the target plan 4 days in advance just played absolutely perfectly. We've got some very good trades for day traders. We talk about, so it's not huge, absolutely not, but we talk about a 1.5% move up on the world's biggest cryptocurrency, and all of this plan 4 days in advance. That's pretty crazy. But anyway, so yeah, that's all for today. Really, this is what we can look for next. And otherwise, yeah, we can just stay around this right here. And otherwise, we plan also the targets to the downside in the daily updates. The yesterday one, so really go and check this out. You have all the information about this for the levels to the downside. The only thing you have to do next is to just read the order flow such as this. And this is how we have been able to play this last push to the upside due to the amount of shorts that open here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you have to read the order flow on the targets I'm giving to you. Okay, you just have to read this. And do we have an MT short reaction? Do we have an MT long reaction? Do we have some trade trolls? Do we have some trade long? Do we have some absorption on the high? Do we have some absorption on the lows? What is the context on a bigger time? All of this are answered with the order flow. That's pretty crazy, to be honest. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And yeah, so yeah, that's all from me for today. So as always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications. That's a big reward of my work. So really, thank you so much if you do it. And as always, if you want to get more of us, do not hesitate to go on the Discord server first of all. Okay, you can go on the Discord server here, so you can get all the chat right here, and you can talk with everyone, get some updates, just ask me some questions, share your plan, talk with everyone, spend a good, just get some good time, you know, with everyone clearly. Now, if you want to get all of this, clearly we have some very good TAs. With auto crypto here, we have tons of TA. I mean, we have a large amount of TAs here on a lot of crypto, and even some stocks, by the way. Now, just if you want to get all of this, this is for VIPs, and if you want to get the apprentice section here with the course, all of this is for apprentice. And yeah, by the way, if you want to get, I just have to find this, and normally it should be here. I just going to check that really quickly where it is. Yes, it's here. If you want to get and support also the channel at the same time, and you want to get some bonus while trading, you can go and make an account in PRIMEXBT, where I'm personally taking some very good trades, to be honest with you. Right here, for example, this kind of trades right there, that's pretty nice. But yeah, if you want to get a up to $7,000 deposit bonus, you just have to make an account with the link just right below in the description. You just have to enter, to verify your email next, to go in the promo code section, add the promo code, activate, and you will receive a deposit bonus up to $7,000. So just by creating an account, you can get up to $7,000, and in addition to it, just of course support the channel. Okay, so anyway, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to smash that like again, to subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications, because yes, more than 50% of people watching are not subscribed yet, so really do not hesitate. And yeah, don't hesitate to join us on Discord server. And yeah, wish you all a brilliant day. See you all tomorrow for the daily update, not ExoChart update, because yeah, I'm creating a bit ExoChart, that is ExoChart the order flow. But yeah, we're going to cover a bit of the ExoChart, but not in depth. As always, this is more for VIPs, because I'm really have some secrets to trade this. But anyway, yeah, I wish you all a brilliant day, and see you all tomorrow for the daily ExoChart, daily update at 10 AM GMT +1 FR time. And yeah, if you want to get some more details and everything, as I said, go and check out our website. You will get all the details there. Anyway, have a brilliant day, as I said. Take care, and see you all in the next one. Cheers.